Hey everyone, welcome back to MASTERCOTUTORIALS, and today we are going to make a simple music game or a music animation in Scratch. So let's get started, and you can use the online platform of Scratch or the official application of Scratch in Windows or anything. Just go to create and wait for some time and change its name to animated drum, or I'm just giving music band. It's cool, that's why. That's Just remove this sprite and go to choose a sprite, search for drum. We need this one, drums conga. Just place it here. Just go to codes and add a couple of codes. I will first write the codes and I will explain later. Just right arrow, think, yeah, right arrow or left arrow, maybe anything. Okay, left arrow I'm pressing, and repeat. Yeah, I will make it later. Okay, then go to sounds and make sure this all sounds are appeared here. And if it is not, you can just choose a sound and search for high conga. Then just appears, just click here and play. Okay, yeah, so we don't need to add, our sounds are here. Okay, then just go to sounds and add this start sound. Oh yeah, maybe, yeah, wait, just let me just try this play sound and high conga. Just place it here, then go to looks, next costume, place it here. When that happens, the costume changes to this one. Then we need to wait second. Just copy this and paste it here. Then change this to low conga for 0.25 seconds and change repeat to 4 seconds. And this is how it works. When we click the left arrow, the sound high conga set plays and the costume changes to next costume, drum conga B, and it wait for 0.2 seconds, 2.5 seconds, and same reverse happens. Let me just show you how it works. Let's go here. Just Yeah, it looks something not working. Just go here and instead of play sound, you can just add this start sound. Yeah, I'm just removing this and making duplicate. Sorry, not that, duplicate. Then just paste here and here low conga, high, not high conga. Okay, just keep it here and make sure the costume in one, costume A. Just go to play here. Just click left arrow. Yeah, this is how it works. It kind of look cool, and we can make it more vibe. So I will show you how to make it. Just go to backdrop. We need to choose a backdrop and concert. Not that much. Yeah, it's perfect. Let's add theater 2. Then place it here. Then just try. Yeah, it works perfectly. Then let's just add the guitar also. Just go to right, search for guitar. Yeah, we need this one, or you can add anything, any part of guitar. Okay, as you can see, there are lots of sound here, or you can add manually from the sound library. There are lots of sounds differently categorized: animals, effect, loops, nodes, percussions, bass, chords, voice, wacky, like that also. So we have the sounds, so we don't need that. And for this we have to add the code, like yeah, same here, but not left arrow, it's right arrow. Then start sound, there are lots of sounds, so we have, I think, 8 sounds. Yeah, when we need sounds like random sounds, just go to operators, bring pick random, and 8. And color change, it can change color also. Just go to looks and change color affected by 25. Yeah, it makes sense. And let me just explain how it works. When the right arrow key is pressed, there are lots of sounds, eight sounds. It plays a random sound from these 8 sounds, and the color of the guitar changes by 25. And let's just test how it works. Yeah, as I yeah, it's kind of cool though. Let me just increase this sound. Yeah, yeah, sounds look cool though. I'm not a like what, I'm not a expert in this music, and also I don't know how to make a perfect music. Still, let's add some more sprites here. Just go to sprite and bring down. There are lots of musical elements here. We can just add this also, drum kit, and place it here somewhere. Violin looks here. Okay, yeah, like here. We can add a guy there so he can play the music. Let's look for the perfect guy for that. And I think, yeah, characters one I'm adding and changing the costume to. You can add any character. I'm just choosing Heat. Yeah, wait first. Yeah, Heat. And we can decrease the size of this to 50. Yeah, maybe it's to 75. Yeah, good. Oh, where is the guy? Yeah, he is invisible. And click here, and let's just push this to this hand. Perfect for his hand. And I'm just gonna make his hand perfect. Just making some edits. Never mind, it's only for yeah, yeah, it's cool. And front of that. Maybe it should be here itself. Yeah, itself. Just bring his hand. Yeah, up right here. Yeah, now he can hold perfectly. Yeah, he can hold it perfectly. Yeah, okay. Then go to drum kit. We can add the same code for drum kit also, but instead of this we can add the up arrow. Check for the sounds. Yeah, it has only 5 sounds. Just change this to 5, and we don't need to change the color. Yeah, let's just try this. Yeah, when we click the left arrow, and we click the right arrow, the guitar works, and we click the upper arrow, the drum kit works. Yeah, it's cool though. And yeah, that's it, I guess. Or you can make any changes like adding here some confetti and all, and changing this color and adding more characters here like speakers and all. And that's it's for today's video. And if you have any suggestion for the next video or need any type of contents from making scratch game, tell me in the comments. Let me know in the comments. Make this show I will make the video. And the main thing is we started the Discord server, as you know. We started in the earliest channel started. You can just join there also, or you can just go to Scratch and send me follow. I have in Scratch. I will give the link in the description. There are lots of games you can test and all. I made some games, remixed it and made that game looks cool. You can try that also. And that's it for today. And if you have any doubts, let me know in the comments. And see you soon. Bye bye.